Hey, welcome back. How is everyone today? I have a Coleman LXX grill and I absolutely love it. I've beat this thing to death over the last 3 years, so it was time to get a new one. And while I was researching for a new one, there was a couple things I'm not too fond of with this, and one of them is this wheelbase. You can't remove this from the base and put it on a tabletop, and when you fold it up, the wheels make it bulky. The other one is the grease tray in the back. All the grease sits and drips down, and it is a bear to clean. So with that in mind, I started researching, and Coleman actually makes a road trip grill. It's called their classic. It's their original, just an LX, Coleman RoadTrip LX, or Coleman Classic Road Trip. And it comes with legs. You can remove it. You can put it on a tabletop. And what's nice about it is it also comes with an insert tray that you put some water in. Makes cleanup, or supposedly makes cleanup, a breeze. So let's take a look at it and see what it looks like. Okay, it's all unwrapped, and as you can see, it comes with the base and the unit. And what's nice about the unit is it's tabletop. So basically, when you set the base up, it rests right on the tabletop. It's not attached to this. So for traveling, that's going to be a huge bonus over the LXX, which I had. So let's take this apart. Okay, so this is the base. The legs extend. I did notice that these table pieces that go on the side, they have these two long pins. They actually go in after the legs are extended, and it actually holds the legs parallel. Let's put the grill on top. Again, it should just lay on here. Okay, and they have some rubber feet so it doesn't slide around. And again, what's nice about this is take this off and actually put it right on a picnic table. Okay, let's open it up, take a look. It also comes with two different grates. So this one is for grilling. And it does appear these are not pure cast, these are cast aluminum. So they're cast aluminum, they're non-stick. They're not typical old-fashioned cast like my LXX grill. And the other side actually comes with a griddle or flat side. And again, that's cast aluminum, and that's a non-stick surface. And you can buy these extra if you want to have two grills. You can buy a grill, or you can buy a complete griddle for the whole thing. So there are some options with that. And here's what I wanted to show you, which is great. Now, in the past, all your grease would drip down while you're cooking, and this was just brutal to clean. This design is a non-stick tray that sits in. You put some water in here. The water catches the grease, and it's very simple to clean. This is going to be the world of difference with this grill. And again, it just snaps in. Little hole here, and that's it. And the other part this comes with is the regulator. Now this attaches right to the back of the unit. There's a gas fitting at the back, you'll see, and the fitting here allows you to use those 1-pound green gas bottles, or like what I use a 20-pound LPG tank with an adapter hose. If I'm doing something quick or just for the day, I'll use the 1-pound, but usually if I'm camping, I set it up with the 20-pound. We'll attach this and we'll light her up. Okay, so to wrap it up, this is the Coleman Classic Road Trip Grill LX series, and it has taken care of the few complaints I had with my LXX grill. This actually has done it. So it comes with a regulator. Again, you can connect those small green bottles to it, or I use an extension hose with a regular 20-pound tank. Two burners, left and right. An auto igniter, legs, obviously no wheels, it has legs, a stand, some hooks for your utensils. Again, this lifts off, so if you want to put it on a tabletop, picnic table, you can do that. It has a lock and open for the lid. It also has two different types of grills. It has a griddle and a grill. This is cast aluminum. It's a non-stick surface, and the biggest benefit is this insert drip pan, which is non-stick. And it says you put water in it, and the water catches the grease, and it's very easy to clean up. Time will tell. I anticipate it to cook exactly like my LXX. It's the same design, so I anticipate it to cook fantastic. The only thing I will have to say is my old one had a thermometer here. This does not. But other than that, it looks great. Now, it only comes in this blue color. It's the only color available. It's the classic grill, and it comes in classic blue. I got mine on sale at Camping World, but Amazon also sells them. I'll leave links to both Camping World and Amazon below in the description if you want to do some further research or purchase it. But if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.